Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to sew a simple skirt with lace and rickrack embellishments, and it should fit 14-inch dolls like Wellie wishers, 13-inch dolls like Disney toddler dolls, and many more dolls in this size range like the Hearts for Hearts girls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download these two free printable sewing patterns. There is a sandal pattern, but it doesn't fit all the dolls. Use the pattern to cut out just a square or rectangle of fabric. Double fold hem the length of your fabric, and if you need some help with what we call the whip stitch, look in the description below this video on YouTube for a link to my whip stitch tutorial. Create a casing on the other long side of the skirt. You're going to do that by folding once and then folding a second time, but deeper on the second fold. If you need help with a casing, I have a tutorial for that as well. Once you have a casing and a hem, we're going to add some ribbon. I'm using a 1/4 inch offray ribbon edged with lace. I recommend that you sew it to the hem before you cut away what you don't need. I sewed along the ribbon's top and bottom edges. So you can see me here on my sewing machine. I go through the first run on the bottom edge of the ribbon, and then the second run I do the top edge of the ribbon. Next I added some metallic rickrack. Here are the specs on my rickrack. I sewed the rickrack down the ribbon's middle. And again, I cut it away when I'm done. Measure your doll's waist for elastic. Cut the elastic to fit the doll and attach a safety pin to one end. Send the safety pin through the casing you've made, pausing at each end of the square of fabric to insert a straight pin. This will hold your elastic in place. So here I am inserting my safety pin, and then as I get toward the end, I'm going to insert a straight pin through the elastic to hold it in place. Then I can finish pulling the safety pin the rest of the way through the casing. Again, I remove that safety pin and put a straight pin through to hold it in place. Fold the skirt in half. And now sew from the waist to the hem. You could do this on your sewing machine. Invert the skirt, and you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, and for the free summer top pattern too, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.